Hello. Today we are going again to run cursor agents with a task of investigating Martingale betting system. Actually, a friend of mine told me that it's a perfect betting system and it basically allows to win against casino. We bet either red or black, doubling our stake until we win. And that a way to go. No way we can lose it. The wiki page says a lot about mathematics behind it, and it says that there is 11% chance of 10 losses, which wipes 1000 of original bet, but it's not that convincing. So I want to run actual simulation, and as a result I want to have 90% trust interval for money amount and for time period. I need that in nice HTML, and I'm asking for $1 bets to win 10, 100 and 1000 in the end. So let's um, have it in a bit of detail. So here is just our goal. I have this as a context. So the agent is always aware what's going on and to not type it from scratch. I have this environment saying that I'm on Windows 11 and Node.js. I want to have everything in TypeScript. I want to run simulation of roulette with the betting system. Roulette should have only 1 0, like the best for the player. And yeah, amount of runs, it should be modular, and please create the script around the simulation. So one tricky part is that if we just paste it, it's gonna be a link, which is okay, but then this won't be treated as a link. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just have it somewhere, for example, here in my Gmail. I'll copy, paste, and copy again. Okay. Link. Here it is. Something is broken a bit. Okay. Here it is. And this can be removed. Okay, I want. Well, Sonnet is pretty okay. Oh, but Gemini. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's go with Sonnet. Any of the models like Claude, O3 or Gemini are perfectly fine for this task. I prefer Sonnet just because it was good previously for similar tasks. So I'm running this, and as you can see, the tool got this page, put it in context, then there is thought process, and it started first it's creating the package JSON for this, and tsconfig just configure the um, environment which I asked for to have it in test node, and then it started to create actual code files, and since I asked it to be modular, there will be several. You see constant, TypeScript, roulette, etc., etc., etc. So it will take a while. I'm thinking if I should pause the video or if it is fast enough. I don't know. Let's do it in real time, so I will keep recording. Hopefully it won't take too long. And meanwhile, I'll check the actual result. Okay, okay. What do we have here? Constants. Show that everything is configurable, which is really nice. Even confidence level. I like this maximum bankroll. As you can see, it fixes linter errors, which might be small things, might be big things. Let's check what those are. It's hot. Oh, it's actually errors, so good that those got fixed. So basically, the agent continues working until the script is executable, really executable. Hopefully it will run it and check the result. Okay, it's got logs. And pm install, right? Usually when the such agents are running, I'm doing something else. Okay. So it got the script running and ran the simulation. Which is good. and it tries to open the result. So funny thing, you might see that I asked it to be a nice HTML. That's why Claude put here this additional formatting, etc. I actually like it. So, okay. We have simulation input confidence level. Here, max bankroll limit, and as you can see here, when we tried to win 1000, actually some of the runs, and there are pretty much of those, actually went out of that limit and were not successful. Okay, so to have 10 bucks, median maximum bet, and with the 90% confidence interval, we need to have 100 bucks roughly to win only 10 bucks. Okay, and it's not that much to wait to win 100. It's much harder. We need to have basically 10 times than that, and average rounds, 200 rounds, 3.5 hours played, to win 1000. We need 5 times than that. Average total. Actually, I don't get it. And let's ask this system. Oh, actually, it's analyzed. That's nice. So let's check. And this is a good thing with Claude, and similar I saw with OpenAI O3 model, that it has this output with some analysis, which is really nice. So, generated simulation log. So we need 5,000 for 1,000 target, and it's, yeah, over a day, non-stop. Bankroll limit, yeah, when bankroll limit is hit, we lose everything. So let's switch from agent to ask and put some question. Average total wagered and median maximum paid, and average maximum paid. So I don't get it why they are different and which are important. So it's ask, so nothing will be modified. And let's actually it's too many. We need to add git ignore. Okay, that's better. Okay, makes sense. So we don't really need to look into maximum bet or median maximum bet. We need to look into total wager because it's the amount of money we need to have to actually play, and that makes sense. So to win 1000 we need 20 times more than that, and there is a risk to lose everything. And similarly this, so yeah, actually um, it's not okay. So I need actually, okay, we again switching to agent because we need to modify the code. Move the bets from the output, simplify the out, and rerun the simulation. Okay, it's ready, and yeah, again we have comprehensive result. As you can see, bottom line, to win 100 you typically need 2000, and we have the updated results, which is much clearer than previously. So funny thing, first of all, as you can see, success rate 100%, but actually it's not 100% really, because we had 9 cases when we uh, actually lost. We were not able to win this amount. which is kind of risky, and total capital required with 90% confidence interval is around 200, 250, 60. So as you can see, not that interesting. We need huge amount of money to win 1000. We need 22,000. Median total capital required, but it's only 50% successful rate. So I wouldn't recommend to use this betting system, and that's why. But I would recommend to use this agent, and it's important. So let's put port 20. So please update the readme and file, and I just drop it here. Oh, okay. Okay for everything. And I want to update this context D. Please review the context D file and update it if needed. With the implementation, there might be some verifications. Updating documentation with agents is really easy, and I strongly suggest you do that, because that's what I really missed when people writing their code later you can't understand nothing, and okay. Key metric. I don't want to be messy. Please make it more concise. Do not write and implement that. Just put them final results. make it closer to the initial text short. That's better. As you can see, it took the initial text and basically cleaned it up. Made some additions. I might remove results, but it's a good thing to have it. Okay. Stage. Commit. Okay. Now another important part. We need to check the actual implementation. And to do that, I'm using a new chat, which it is important because this chat where we were working, it has a bunch of code, a bunch of results which can be misguiding for another model. And I use, for example, O3 to do actual testing. So what I need to put everything here and context as well. I want to build a Martingale betting simulation script according to the requirements in the context.md. Please check the implementation. Is it correct? Let's go. And this can take quite a while, so I'll put the video on pause. Okay. So as you can see, it finished the analysis. It took a couple of minutes. It checked all the requirements one by one, but what is important is simulation logic. And actually we can go to the conclusion. Yes, the current implementation is correct and aligned. If it for really important tasks, we can have another approach. We could revert everything and make another model, for example, O3 implement the same task and check the result if it's the same or not, and do it, for example, one more time with Gemini Pro to ensure that we have the right results. But for these kind of tasks, it's enough just to run the PR review. And actually, for the most real world problems, we can just run the review and that's it. Oh, yeah, that's everything I wanted to show you today. Embrace the power of cursor agents, and thank you for your time.